All this plant has to do is land a sneak attack on its prey. The moment it does, it extracts DNA from the prey's blood and uses that to create a perfect clone. The victim quickly collapses from the toxin. That's when the clone sets out to find the original. Once it locates the target, it buries them right on the spot. Then it takes on the victim's identity and slips right back into the group without anyone noticing. After that, the clone detonates like a spore pod, releasing toxins all over the surrounding animals. Those infected start to rot almost instantly, and in the end, their bodies become fertilizer for new seeds. Before long, an entire field of new clone flowers grows here, just waiting for the next prey to come along. When Ursula and Sam pass through this area, they have no idea how these plants actually work. Ursula even mistakes it for some kind of animal graveyard. When she notices one of the passing creatures acting strange, she assumes it's just sick, not realizing it's actually a clone. In a rush to get back to Earth, the two don't stick around to investigate. They turn and leave, but as they exit the forest of these plants, one of the clone flowers launches a sneak attack on the captain. The wound swells up almost immediately, but he doesn't think much of it. 15 minutes later, he starts to grow weak. The injury on his arm begins to spread. Worried things might get worse, Ursula decides they should stay put and rest for the night. Meanwhile, the captain's clone has already finished forming. Because the night gets cold, Ursula heads out to gather some firewood, but suddenly, she spots the captain, weak and standing not far away. As she approaches, the figure turns and walks off. Back at camp, Ursula questions the captain, but he insists he never left. That shocks her, but she doesn't press further. After lighting the fire, she lies down to rest. Not long after, a strange noise wakes her up. Seeing the captain eating by the fire, she thinks he's getting better, but in the next moment, heavy breathing comes from the dirt behind her. When Ursula digs into the soil, she's shocked to find the real captain buried inside. She turns around, and the creature reveals itself. The clone slams into her, then tries to bury the captain again. Seizing the moment, Ursula strikes it with a wooden stick and manages to save him. Then she lures the clone toward the fire. Using the oily wood, she fans the flames onto its body. In the end, the clone is completely burned to ashes.